What if the most incredible technology wasn't confined to labs or sprawling factories, but could fit right in the palm of your hand? Today, prepare to be amazed by a collection of miniature marvels that prove big innovation can come in surprisingly small packages. From smart tools that enhance your everyday life to futuristic devices you have to see to believe, we're exploring the cutting edge of what's possible, all within pocket-sized dimensions. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into some of the most ingenious tiny gadgets you probably haven't encountered yet. But once you do, you'll wonder how you lived without them. These aren't just novelties. Some are already transforming how we interact with technology on the go. And others hint at an excitingly miniaturized future. Let's get straight to the incredible shrinking tech. Imagine misplacing your keys just as you're heading out the door. Stress be gone. The all-new TinyMaker 2025 is here to rescue your frantic searches. Sporting an extended reach and a user-replaceable battery, this clever Bluetooth tracker attaches to your valuables, allowing you to pinpoint their location via a smartphone app. If they're close by, simply make it ring. Yours for around $25. The OMI represents a bold leap forward in personal assistant technology. This tiny, almost imperceptible gadget adheres discreetly to your face and utilizes advanced sensors to interpret your thoughts. Imagine the convenience of simply thinking a question and receiving an answer, having real-time translations whispered directly to you, receiving subtle reminders for scheduled appointments, and even having your fleeting thoughts instantly transcribed into digital notes. All from a device no thicker than a few stacked coins. While still in its pre-order phase, OMI is available for an introductory price of just $89, offering a tantalizing glimpse into the future of human-computer interaction. Unleash your inner filmmaker with the Insta360 GO 3. This minuscule action camera redefines versatility with its magnetic design and accompanying action pod. Capture breathtakingly unique perspectives and mount it virtually anywhere to record your adventures. This pocket-sized powerhouse comes in at around $400. Forget clumsy measuring tapes. The Measure One smart tool uses motion-sensing technology to accurately determine distances, areas, and even volumes with a simple wave through the air. It seamlessly connects to your smartphone for easy recording and sharing of your measurements, all for around $250. The Fomemo M110 portable printer proves that compact doesn't mean compromise. With a print resolution nearly matching its featherlight 221-gram weight, 203 dots per inch, this thermal printer eliminates the need for messy ink cartridges. Design and print custom labels directly from the convenience of your smartphone. The Petpool's AI-powered dog collar analyzes your dog's barks using artificial intelligence to detect their emotional state, offering valuable insights into their well-being. It also tracks their activity levels, all for around $150. Taking language translation to the next level, the Pocket Talk S is a dedicated, handheld device engineered for precise and effortless two-way communication across numerous languages. It can even translate text captured in images, priced at approximately $300. Dream of creating your own miniatures or intricate details? The TinyMaker is a palm-sized, open-source 3D printer that makes it a reality for just $119. Its compact build volume, 30 by 41 by 60 millimeters, is perfect for small-scale creations, and it weighs a mere 600 grams. Introducing the Helloit, the world's first automatic dog leash that charges itself through movement. As your dog walks, energy is generated and stored. Its innovative gesture recognition allows you to adjust the leash length with a simple hand motion. It also features a built-in light for nighttime strolls. This 3.5-meter leash starts at $79. Power up your devices in style with the Geek Retro 35-watt gallium nitride charger. This compact USB-C charger delivers rapid charging while sporting a nostalgic design reminiscent of vintage Macintosh computers. a blend of functionality and retro aesthetics for around $70. Gain deeper insights into your health with the Oura Ring Generation 4. This elegant ring tracks your sleep patterns, activity levels, heart rate variability, and more, providing personalized data for better recovery and well-being. The latest generation boasts enhanced sensors and new features, starting around $350. The SSD move speed isn't your average external drive. Its integrated touchscreen allows you to monitor temperature, transfer speeds, and other vital information directly on the device. Its ultra-compact design makes it perfect for on-the-go use, and with Apple Find My integration, you can easily locate it if misplaced. The 1TB model is priced at $189. Imagine smart glasses so light you barely notice them. The Getter X weighs a mere 80 grams, yet packs the power for real-time language translation and an AI-driven voice assistant. A single charge provides up to 4 hours of operation, with prices starting at $494. Relive gaming nostalgia in miniature. For just $30, you can own a tiny Atari 2600 console, complete with a 1.5-inch mini TV. Powered by 3 batteries, it comes preloaded with 10 classic games, including Pac-Man and Asteroids. Its pocket-friendly size means retro gaming on the go is now a reality. Bring the big screen experience anywhere with the Kodak Luma 350 portable projector. Weighing under 850 grams, it easily fits into a small backpack. Despite its size, it offers features found in larger projectors, including HDMI, USB, and Android-powered Wi-Fi connectivity for streaming. While its resolution is 850 by 480, its portability and versatility come at an affordable $300. Create a calming atmosphere wherever you go with the Zen Flow Aroma Diffuser. Its compact and travel-friendly design makes it perfect for the office, hotel room, or even a long car ride. Enjoy a soothing, fragrant mist for up to 12 hours on a single charge, with 3 intensity settings to create your ideal spa-like experience. The ZenFlow is priced at $29. While the 2016 MacBook Pro's Touch Bar garnered attention, you don't need an Apple device to enjoy similar functionality. The Flex Bar offers an external OLED touch panel compatible with Windows, Android, and even iOS, providing customizable shortcuts and controls for various applications, all for $153. Perfect for selfie enthusiasts and TikTok creators, the Godox MA5R Lite module provides portable and adjustable illumination. Lasting for 220 minutes on a single charge and only 13 millimeters thick, it easily accompanies your smartphone. Adjust brightness levels, color temperature to match your environment, and choose from 14 built-in lighting effects to enhance your content, all for $49. The Xiaomi modular optical system represents a significant advancement in smartphone photography. Built around a high-resolution 100-megapixel image sensor, this modular component utilizes cutting-edge laser-linked optical transmission technology to achieve incredibly fast data transfer speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second. This advanced module not only enables the capture of stunning RAW images with exceptional detail, but also simplifies the post-processing workflow through the integration of intelligent AI algorithms. This innovative piece of mobile photography technology is priced at $70. The Hubble Traveller Clock swaps out traditional clock hands for beams of light, turning timekeeping into an artistic experience. Designed to resemble modern wall art, it transforms any space into something eye-catching. It only needs a weekly charge, and its brightness adapts automatically to the room's lighting. Pricing begins at $194. Experience portable entertainment like never before with the Tiny TV Mini. This miniature television, brought to you by the innovators at Tiny Circuits, features a vibrant OLED screen for clear viewing, charges fully in just an hour via USB Type-C, and boasts 8 gigabytes of built-in storage, allowing you to easily load your favorite movies and shows for on-the-go enjoyment. This compact and portable TV is priced at $49. Introducing the Doze, the first pocket-sized Geiger counter designed for everyday awareness. Weighing less than 35 grams, it provides instant alerts if radiation levels become dangerously high in your surroundings. No expertise needed. Doze uses simple audible clicks and visual flashes to indicate the level of beta and gamma radiation, with more frequent and intense signals indicating a more hazardous environment. Yours for $75. Meet the LaserPecker LP1 Pro, a beginner-friendly laser engraver that fits comfortably in the palm of your hand. Weighing under 200 grams and incredibly user-friendly, simply connect it via Bluetooth, select your desired image or text, and begin the engraving process on materials like wood or leather within a 10 by 10 centimeter area. It conveniently includes safety glasses and an autofocus stand, priced at $569. Take precise control of your microphone during video calls with the Mute Me Mini. This seemingly simple button utilizes patent-pending technology to easily toggle your mic on and off with a clear visual indicator. Affordably priced at $29, it ensures compatibility with all microphone types and popular communication apps like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet. The Macro Dock is a remarkably versatile device that seamlessly combines the functions of a USB hub, a programmable controller, and a macro input device all in one sleek unit. It features 6 customizable LCD macro keys, 3 assignable rotary knobs, an RJ45 Ethernet connector, an SDTF card slot, 100-watt fast charging capability, and compatibility with over 200 plugins for various applications, ranging from Adobe Photoshop to Twitch. The developers designed Macro Dock to appeal to a wide audience, from financial traders to gaming enthusiasts, and it's priced at a reasonable $119. The G06MU Surge Protector offers a unique blend of safety and transparency with its clear outer casing, allowing you to visually inspect its internal protection mechanisms. Spring-loaded elements cleverly prevent water from reaching live electrical components, while its integrated drainage system and a convenient cable wrapping design further enhance its practicality. Despite its compact and lightweight design at just 181 grams, it includes a standard 125-volt AC outlet, as well as multiple USB charging ports. Stay connected and attuned to the well-being of your beloved pets with the Glocal Me Pet Phone. This innovative device allows you to communicate remotely with your dogs or cats, and even soothe them during stressful situations through pre-recorded audio messages. Utilizing sophisticated AI algorithms, the pet phone analyzes the sounds your pet makes and, if it detects signs of distress or unusual behavior, promptly alerts you via your smartphone. It also incorporates GPS tracking technology, providing you with real-time location updates to ensure your furry friends are safe and sound. The Hunt Pro may be small, but it packs serious power. This compact flashlight emits white, red, green, blue, and ultraviolet light, with 11 versatile modes to tackle any situation, and it runs up to 15 hours on a single charge. Housed in a rugged titanium body, it's more than just durable. It doubles as a multi-tool that can open paint cans, remove nails, and even function as a screwdriver. All that utility starts at just $77. If you found these incredible mini gadgets fascinating, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more cutting-edge tech reviews every week. Hit the bell so you never miss updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.